Today I'm reviewing is trim kit installation shower head installation tubs spout installation. So I really like how it comes with directions on how to like install it and everything. Though I'm not gonna install it myself. This is more like showing you guys what comes in it and how it looks, the material. This is very light, like extremely light. So it's not heavy at all. The handle is way heavier, and this is like the material is like matted. This is about like, I'm assuming 2.5 pounds. And then it also comes with this here, and let's see what else. And here it comes with like the screws and all of the everything you need, that like the plate screw, adapter screw, handle screw, Allen key, and limited kit adapter. So this is literally everything that comes in it, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, if like you need something like that for your tub, and it will look really nice, like if you like, it will look really pretty in your bathroom. Though I do wish this was a little bit heavier. But other than that, like, I have no complaints about it.